Aloha YouTube, this is Khi Turner. Today I'm unboxing the Galaxy Z Fold 2. I'm gonna do this real quick here so we can get it. Some crazy import taxes on this bad boy. Like 400 US dollars. Pretty sick. But you know how important things go, so gotta do what you gotta do on that one. There's the little paperwork in there. Ooh. Out. This is the most professional unboxing. And then let's see. Okay. Let's see, let's get this little thing right here. Get the unboxing knife back here. Okay, my lovely assistant there. Right here. And then, ooh, wow. You seeing that? Basically, you should do it upside down if you want to do it in your direction there. So it says, change the shape of the future. Wow. I don't know if it's going to really change the shape of it, but that's what they think, though. You see what I'm saying? It's like a super slow unboxing. I got to get that monetization money there. Samsung, okay, you got the little branding thing right here. Let's see what's inside of it. Oh, how do you open this? Startup guide, probably. Okay, yep, startup guide. SIM card ejector. Transfer stuff, terms and conditions. Oh my gosh, look at that. Are you guys looking at it? Ooh, just like last year, you got all of the instructions of what not to do with it. I'm reading them out just to waste more time. So you can press on the screen. Make sure there's no cards when you fold the device. Interesting. Liquid damage, of course, is going to be a concern. And it says don't remove the screen protector. You've already seen that on like 1,000 videos. And of course, to keep the device away from magnets because it has one inside of it. It's funny enough, this actually works with the iPhone 12's MagSafe because since it has so many magnets inside of it, if you put it there, it actually will stick like directly to it. Camera wise and all that, let's get into that a little bit in 2 seconds. Let's see what else we got in there. Oh, yeah, the 1 year Galaxy Premier Service, concierge, as they say. So we actually used that on the last one when they actually valued it. Now I think they charge like 150 or something for your first time. And then my SIM card, I have to cut that one out right there. Let me see what else we got. Okay, oh, a little charge cable, black. Okay, the black one. I like this one. So one thing I noticed is that it's USB Type-C to Type-C. Not a lot of phones are doing that other than the iPhone 12. So just thought I would mention that. I don't know if 5 people mentioned that. Normally it's Type-C to Type-A. Type-C, Type-C. And look at the screen on this bad boy. Looking sick. So full screen. I had to fold it just to give you that last little thing right there. The fast charger. I'm in Norway, so we gotta flip the thing, but super fast charging, as they say. And it is 12. It looks like 9 volt. How many watts though? Somebody in the comment can tell you how many watts, but I'm thinking like maybe 20 watts, something like that, 12 watts. They don't really give me anything with that one. So that's what you get in the box right there. And then this is just paper for the foil. Let's keep those in there. Now looking around the phone though, you can see you got a mic port on the top, a speaker. Around this side, you got a SIM ejector. You got another speaker, another mic, the USB Type-C, a fingerprint scanner that's also the power button now, and you got your volume up down switch. Then on the back, we got basically the Note 20 Ultra's cameras minus the 2 like the time of flight. And yep, let's just check that out right there. Ooh, the pill porn. Oh yeah, I can already see the film on it. Doesn't look that transparent, but you can definitely tell. As you can see, my hands like making the little indent on it. It feels really smooth though. Let me see. Uh-oh, first turn on. Let's do it. I was like, dude, if they came without the thing from being in charge, that'd be crazy. So you can see it's very crispy, super cold. So you can tell like the material build quality is like it's probably all aluminum or stainless steel, something like that. And it's got that premium feel to it. So nice little unboxing. Just want to give you guys a little quick overview. We get into it. Probably make like 20 more videos about it. Hopefully I can get back the taxes and stuff like that from the Pro Tools price. But check me out. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. And as always, have an aqua day.